Hello lovelies, you are welcome back again to my channel. It's that season again, the season of love, Valentine season. What is your plan for this season? Like, what are you going to be doing on Valentine's Day? Anyways, your answer or your guess is as good as mine. Just in case you don't have any craft for this Valentine, here is a simple craft you can make at home. It's a no so DIY, just glue work. With your glue, your pencil, your scissors, you are good to go. So I already have this my papers cut out. It's called tissue paper. This red paper you are seeing is called tissue paper, and they come in different colors, so it depends on your preference. For the purpose of this season, red will be good, pink will be good, light purple will be good. And again, you need to have a template. Just as you can see, that's white paper with a heart shape. So it's a kind of thick paper already customized. But just in case you don't have this customized heart shape paper, you can create yours. You can just get a heart paper and use your pencil to draw the heart shape, and that's all. Because you really don't need the, should I say, the picture is the craft that is really important. Okay, so I have my tissue paper cut out into smaller sizes. It really doesn't matter the dimension you cut it. Something good enough for the eyes, say maybe 2 inches. Is it inches? Yeah, 2 inches by maybe 1 inch or 2 inches, something just presentable. Because some may want it big, like this my heart shape is quite small. If you want a bigger shape, you can sketch out a bigger drawing. It all depends on you. So watch me guys, it's very interesting and therapeutic. I will just be putting little glue on that shape. You don't need to put it everywhere because it may dry out before you finish your craft, so just put it in the area or in the part where you'll be putting your tissue paper. And kindly watch the way I'm doing this tissue paper. I just place the bottom of my pencil inside the tissue paper, like I would just wrap up the tissue papers. Yeah, I wrap up the pencil with the tissue paper, just as you can see on your screen right now, and then I will just place it on it, and it glues, it stays. If it doesn't stay, you can arrange it with your hand, or better still, you can replace it with another one. Sometimes it tends to be soggy. I experienced it. When it's too soaked, it gets soggy, so you just have to replace it. So that means when you are working with your tissue paper, you need to have enough. It doesn't go bad, you can keep it again for another time. So I kept on doing this. The essence of this is just to create that heart shape you are seeing on the paper. Because looking at that shape, it looks too plain. But when you add this tissue paper, there's this, it looks beautiful. It looks like flowers. Exactly, it looks like flowers. And you can use it to decorate any part of your house, maybe your sitting room, you know, just use it to create something nice in your house or your office. So I kept on adding more glue like that. I would just put the tissue paper because it's just like a repeated process. So I wouldn't show all the process. Maybe I will come back at the end of this video to show you the final outcome. Make sure you don't exceed the border line of the heart shape. Okay, just keep doing it. The more the merrier, the fuller it is, the more beautiful it looks. Okay, and you can also get your kids busy with this craft. Maybe they are just all over the place in the house. Just get them this craft, especially this season, and tell them to do it. It's fun, it will keep them busy, and at the same time they are creating something nice. So I just felt like I should share this video with you guys in case you've not come up with any craft yet for this season. Then this is a very good one. Like I said before, you don't have to have this customized heart shape. You can actually sketch it and you get something nice at the end of the day. Lest I forget, if you are new to this channel, you are most welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, I do appreciate you. Please do not make it your last time. Thanks for the continuous support. I really do appreciate it, and do not forget to share, comment, and like this video. So that's it, guys, for this craft. As you can see, it looks lovely, but then you need to trim it so that you get that very nice uh, decoration. It looks like a decoration now, so I was just trying to trim the parts that were not uniform. Okay, and that's it, guys. That's just, it's as simple as XYZ. So you can play with the colors. You can mix red and pink together. You can do only pink, you can do only red. It is the season. What do you think about this craft? Is it something you would like to try? If you will try it, kindly let me know your experience in the comment section. Look at this pink one. I made this one earlier, so this is also very lovely. I just gave it a little trim so that it looks even more beautiful. So I will just look for any part of my house and I will decorate that area with this craft. So should I say happy Valentine's Day, or let's share love this season? I don't know how to wish you happy Valentine's Day now. Maybe happy Valentine's Day to you. And thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Stay blessed and bye.